Now, we've talked about SHIB burning, Terra Luna Classic burning, but look at this now. BabyDoge burns diminish those of SHIB record 46x as BabyDoge sticks to a plan. So now we're getting BabyDoge getting to the burn action. Let's talk about this right now. My name is Adam Shelton and thank you for watching this video today. This is the ClearCryptos YouTube channel, and here's how much BabyDoge has been burning. Now, to compare, the Shibburn reported that over the same time period, the SHIB army has burned over 29 million meme tokens, worth about 338 at the time of this writing of recording this video. Now, this is 29x less than what the BabyDoge team sent to the dead wallets. Now, as reported back in June, as a result of a vote for the BabyDoge community, the team that runs the meme coin burned 6 quadrillion BabyDoge within 2 days, after it decided to burn a total of 50 quadrillion of these meme coins. Now, this massive token burn was voted for and conducted on July 1st. The coins were burned on the Ethereum network, while BabyDoge's main platform is BNB chain, formerly known as the Binance Smart Chain. But since then, BabyDoge team has been continuing to destroy regularly massive amount of their K9 token. And by of now, let me string down here. This is how many BabyDoge coin has been burned from the total supply, what comprises over 47%. That's a lot of BabyDoge coin, even though they do have a large supply of this. But BabyDoge coin is looking to burn even more from what I've been seeing and reporting. So this is the information here. BabyDoge coin does not want to miss out on the burn action because they hope this will help with their pricing movement in the future. My name is Adam Shelton and thank you for watching this video today. This is the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on the next